Hi everyone, I have another Temu haul to share with you guys. These items were sent to me by Temu, but as you guys know, I do purchase from them all the time. I just love their stuff. So I do have a coupon code with them. It is fav45575. If you put this in the search bar, my little page will come up, and if you're a new user to the app or to the website, you'll get some coupons there as well. And let's just jump on in and let me show you guys what I got. So the non-crafty items, let me just get them out of the way. I have been into plants since COVID, so I got a couple little plant accessories here. So this was $1.89. So I got a little scoop for my dirt, smaller little scoop if I need it for dirt. This will help you pick up like some of your delicate little plants, so you can come down at the base right here and then like lift it out of the dirt. And then this is a little poker, so you can make a little hole in your dirt and then insert your plant in. So love that. And then for 68 cents, you put this on a water bottle, and then now you have your own like little faucet from a little water bottle. So I thought that was really cute. Oh well, don't break it like I just did. Don't hold this and rip off, because you'll break it. Oh my god, you guys, I'm such a klutz with things. So yeah, so there is a little cover here, or you can put it out that way. So love that stuff. Now for the fun stuff, you guys, let's jump on into the little crafty items. So for $4.64, I got these 10-piece little bottle trees. Look at how cute that is. Love it. So it has a little twist top right here. So it is an ornament. What am I doing wrong now? This is not screwing on. Okay, let me try another one. Okay, you guys, these lids are way too big. Okay, well, that's a bummer because they're supposed to be fillable ornaments, and yeah, that is like way too loose. Okay, so I don't recommend this one. I'll leave it linked anyway, so you know, do not buy this set. Oh my gosh, I can't believe like how big of a difference it is. And here I thought I was doing something wrong. It did come with a little thank you stickers, but I'm so bummed because I had plans to use these. So my plan was to wire wrap some beads, stick them in here, close this off, and send it in swaps. But I mean, it literally won't stay on. The good thing though is Temu is very, very good at doing refunds. So I am going to go ahead and submit an order that this is defective. The lid does not even fit on the bottle. So I'm gonna go back, and there was a bunch of different people that were selling these. I don't know if they're all like that, so hopefully not. If anybody has bought these and had the same problem, let me know, because I'm really bummed out about that. Okay, so storage container. I buy these almost every single time that I place an order because I just constantly need them. I am constantly shopping and getting new items in, and I just need the storage case. So this one was 97 cents. So definitely, I have a video of where I did like a how to shop on Temu. So I always put it to sort by low to high, so that way I can get the best price on things. So this one is my favorite. It has a double clip, and the dividers do not come out, and I do not have to glue them down. So love that. And actually, we can start filling up our boxes as we go along. $3.71. These beads are so stinking cute. Look at that. Like, my mom always reminds me, like, have you ever seen the shirt that says like my favorite color is Christmas lights? That reminds me of my mom. So these are just so cute. Oh, you can only get 3 in here, which that's okay. I'll just make it work for now. Then I'll figure out a better solution for those. And okay, so this has some adult language in it, and I got it specifically because I want to make my brother a pin. Now, I don't know if he will end up taking it to work or not, but I just thought it was so stinking funny. So I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get this. I'm going to make a beadable pin for my brother. Well, these do fit. So you could get 2 into here. Can I do, I wonder if I can get it to close this way. Oh no, that looks too high. So got that one. And then for $1.75, these are so cute as well. I am going to be doing a lot of Christmas crafting. I did join 2 swaps already. So we have little elves. Like, Santa needs his elf. So when I saw these beads, I was like, I have to get them. They are a large hole, so that will fit on beadable pins and Pokie tools. So that's going to be really fun to go ahead and play with. Oh, let's see, I can put that there. So I got these beads because I'm hoping that they will fit on a Pokie tool. So it was 98 cents. The sizes range all the way from 4 to 10 mm. So you can see right here, you get a little range. I love the coloring on these. So this is going to be really nice to go ahead and use. And let me get a Pokie tool. Okay, so I got one here. This is the larger one. So that fits. And then here's like a medium one. Ah, yes, perfect. This is exactly what I was hoping for. Let's see the baby one. Ooh, okay, the baby one would fit, but you're gonna have to force it, and I feel like this would probably snap. Like, eventually it would just, you know, yeah, it would just snap. So the large and the medium fit perfect. So yay me. It actually worked out the way I was hoping. So that's awesome. Let me see, beadable pen. Ooh, so the large one does fit on the pen. Let's try a medium size here. Nope, that one doesn't. So, okay, awesome. I got some stuff to work with here, so that works out perfect for me. Next up for $2.57. This one is a mix pack. So we got this adorable little snowman face. We have some really cute little gingerbread guys. We have Santa's hat. And then we have Christmas trees. So super, super cute. Love that. This one will probably definitely be a repurchase because they're just adorable. Does anybody remember when Hobby Lobby sold these amazing Christmas bows? I'm so sad that they don't sell it anymore. It used to be from the My Little Christmas. So I found these. I'm like, these are pretty close. There was another one that Hobby Lobby had that was a thinner ribbon. So I need to go see if I can find those. But it was $1.19 for 50. And look at, you get these silky, beautiful little red and green bows. Like, how perfect are those? So pretty. Love them. They are a great size. I'm going to guess they are almost an inch. Let's see. These are almost an inch. So really cute. Love them. Perfect for my crafting. Cannot wait to start using those. Okay, this is another item that I was really excited to find. Hobby Lobby used to sell these also. So these were 50 pieces for $1.41. So they are little charms. You have a little loop at the top right here. Hobby Lobby used to sell these. They were in silver, gold, red, and green. I was so sad when they stopped selling these. So I was beyond excited when I found them on Temu. I wish they came in a variety of colors, but sadly they don't. Oh, and it's going to be a tight fit in here. So I'm going to have to store these somewhere else. But yeah, a whole bag of 50. Like, oh, endless possibilities with those. You can even cut off the little loop, I bet you, and just use it as like a little like embellishment piece. Let me see if regular scissors will cut these off. I might need something stronger. Oh no, that cut really smooth. Oh yeah, that cut really nice. And now I can just go ahead and glue that down as like a little embellishment piece. Oh, okay, that is so cute. Can you picture this on like a little rosette? That would be really, really cute. For $3.64, I got this little die. So it is actually a double layer. So you're going to take this layer off. I'll show you. So you're going to take this layer off. There's one layer. Then there's another layer. And then it is your word die. There we go. So you can see it is double shadow layer and then your words. And it says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. Thought that was really cute. I don't know if I would necessarily use both layers every single time, but it would be nice that I could go ahead and change it up to whichever way I want. So I can use it this way and have a larger background, or I can use this one and have that smaller background, or just layer it exactly the way it came with just all 3 layers. So that's really nice that I could go ahead and use this any which way that I would like to. For $3.55, I got this. It's really cute. So if you guys, I just recently purchased my first like little fancy expensive cup. So this is a cup charm. So you're going to go ahead and loop this around your cup handle, and then you can add your little beads right here. So I thought that was really fun and really cute. So this pack came with 3 of them. There were different colors to pick from, but I chose gold. I like gold, so that was an easy pick to go ahead. For $2.65, it's 10 pieces. And there are these really pretty little Christmas wreaths. And look, there's that Merry Christmas again. So on these, I'm definitely going to go in and cut off the loop, since I now know that it's very easy to cut off. And then it has a really pretty ribbon that says Merry Christmas in gold. A couple stars over here, little holly over here. Really pretty, really cute. That's what the back looks like. So it's nice and full all the way around. I really like how that came. And then with the little bell in the middle, I wish it actually had the little bell inside so you can actually make noise, but it doesn't. But it's still very cute. I could definitely see adding like another little layering piece to here. See, look, like how cute would this be, just to add another little bow on top just to make it pop a little bit. Or if you have like a small flat back resin of like a Santa, that would be really cute as well, or a little snowflake. So I think you could still go ahead and embellish these up some more. If I had some small red little beads, I might add, you know, a couple more, just have a couple more little like berries over here. So really cute. You could definitely use it just as is or jazz it up a little bit. For $1.80, I got this little light right here. So it's really cute. I like that it came with this kind of like traditional light, Christmas light bulb, or it has like the little round, and then it has the little caps for your little lights, and then here is your string. So I thought that was really cute that it came with 2 different versions of light bulbs and all the little accessories. I think this would be really, really cute and add like a nice little border to your little crafting project. So really cute. Love that one. And it does have the layering pieces as well, so you could go ahead and pull these apart and use them. The other thing I forgot to mention was you can see right here that it has holes. So in the photo, they actually stitched it. And I thought that was really cute too. So die cut this out on your paper and then add some stitching. So it already has the holes there for you. So really cute. Really good idea for that one. Like I said, I just recently got my first expensive little cup. So it has a little straw. So I had to get straw tops, right? Like the little covers. And of course I had to go with Christmas, since Christmas is coming up. And of course I had to go with Disney. Like how could I not, right? So look at how cute. I cannot wait to start using this. So this pack has, let's see, 6 pieces for $2.68. So we got the gingerbread Mickey. We have the peppermint mini. We have another Mickey snowflake. And then it has a couple of Christmas trees. So traditional green and a pink one. And then there is the Christmas light Mickey. I think that's a really, really good deal for the 6 pieces. And then after Christmas, I'll just go ahead and get another set that is non-Christmas. So not bad for the price. I was like, yes, let's go ahead and get those into my cart immediately. Okay, we're down to the last couple of items here. So this was $2.11. I love shiny. So here we have like a little Christmas right here. And then there's like the little reindeer. This one says Merry Christmas. There is little bells, Christmas tree, and a snowflake right there. Really pretty. I feel like all of this is just going to blend so well together. Look at how teeny tiny these little peppermints are. So stinking cute. So $2.74 for 50 pieces. And they do have a hole. So I'm pretty sure that these will fit on both my Pokie tool and Beadable pin. But let's find out for sure. So Beadable pin or Pokie tool is a yes. And Beadable pin, oh, I would have to force it on, which I might end up doing because they're just so cute. I was really hoping it would easily fit on both, but I'll see. I might go ahead and try to force it on the pin and see how it comes out, but definitely fits on the Pokie tool, which is a definite plus. So I did join a swap hosted by Tamika, and it's going to be really fun. You guys know how much I love my beads. So it's a Christmas swap all about beads. So that's going to be really fun. So I got this bottle opener, like even Sunny drinks sodas that come in glass bottles. So like I figured this would be really nice. Like who doesn't need a bottle opener, right? So I thought that was going to be really cute. This was only $1.61, which I think is really affordable as well. So I'm hoping that some of these beads will fit on here. So love that. Stay tuned for that project share. So our last two items here are some more lights. So these are the top parts to glue on to the little lights right here. So you got different shapes. Then there are some stars and some snowflakes, excuse me. So $2.54 for that die. And then this one is so cute. I thought it was kind of expensive, but I'm like, it's so cute. I need to get it. It was 99 cents. Okay, nope. It is well worth the dollar. Look at how cute that is. So it is a Christmas tree made out of all glass beads. I thought it was going to be plastic, but nope. That is so stinking cute. Like, look at those itty bitty little seed beads on there even. So adorable. Okay, I'm convinced. I need a couple more of these. They're really expensive, but do I see myself making this? No, I don't. I think it would be too much work, so I definitely need to buy a couple more of those. So that is my little Temu haul. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below in the description box with links to all of these items. I do have that coupon code that is fav45575 for you guys. And if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Let me know, and I'm more than happy to help you guys out. All right, bye guys.